Hey guys, I'm going to show you the new Platinum Curidas Retractable Fountain Pen coming to Lemur Ink in a few weeks. This one's graphite smoke, one of 5 colors available. The best part about this pen, it's got a removable clip, which I'll show you in just a second, but first let's take it apart. It's got little rifle bolt indentations. The nib is stainless steel. It comes with a cartridge. You can also use a converter for $8, and it's got an ink window, which is super cool. It comes apart. You can see how easy this thing's going to be to clean. You can even clean the little trap door, which keeps the pen from drying out. Platinum says 6 months you can go unused before it dries out. So let's not put that to the test today, but let's just see how cool this thing is. It retracts, it's $64, and it writes really well. I'll show you guys now how this thing writes. As promised, I'm going to show you how to take the clip off the Platinum Curidas. This is one of the selling points of the Curidas. Use this handy dandy removable tool that comes with it. Line it up on the barrel with a notch towards the nib. Press towards the nock of the pen, and it comes off almost without any effort at all. Just don't lose these two pieces. And there you go. It is now without a clip.